What is it? What do you got?
Dirt.
And what's in the dirt? Is there anything in the dirt?
Rocks.
What else? Are there any bugs? Any insects? Any crawly things? Are there any ants? No ants in there? What kind of dirt is it? It's brown dirt, huh? What's your favorite kind of dirt? That kind? Huh? So what have you been doing today, Leah? You been playing? Did you go to dance class today? No? What did you learn in dance class? Oh, what's that called?
The splits.
The splits. What else did you learn? What's that called?
Toe touch.
Wow. Do you like dancing? Yeah. Is that your favorite thing? And you're going to preschool, aren't you, soon?
Yeah.
Who's your teacher?
Miss Ring.
Oh. Is that going to be fun?
Yeah.
Oh, good. So what's today? Do you know today's date? No? You don't know? Can you sing a song for the camera? No? You don't know a song? Can you sing Mary Had a Little Lamb? Do you know that one? No? Okay, can you say goodbye?